Buttermilk pancake. This is the version most people picture when they think of pancakes. Thick, fluffy, with a slight tang that comes from the buttermilk reacting with baking soda. The acid in buttermilk activates the leavening agent, creating tiny bubbles that make the batter rise and give the pancake its soft, airy interior. It became the American breakfast standard over generations, served in stacks with butter and maple syrup. The flavor is mild but rich, and the texture holds up well under toppings without falling apart. Crepe. This comes from France, and it is essentially the opposite of a fluffy pancake. The batter is thin, almost like water, and it spreads across a hot pan into a wide, delicate sheet. There is no leavening agent, so it stays flat and slightly chewy. In France, crepes are eaten both sweet and savory. The sweet version might be filled with Nutella or fruit. The savory version, called a galette, is made with buckwheat flour and filled with cheese, ham, or egg. The technique matters more than the ingredients here. Controlling the heat and the pour is what separates a good crepe from a torn one. Japanese soufflé pancake. This version originated in Japan and became a worldwide trend sometime around the 2010s. It is extremely thick and tall, almost like a soft pillow sitting on the plate. The height comes from whipped egg whites folded into the batter, which creates a mousse-like structure. The pancake jiggles slightly when touched. Because of that delicate structure, it is usually cooked slowly over low heat with a lid on top, allowing steam to help it set. The texture is somewhere between a pancake and a cloud cake, soft, airy, and slightly eggy. Dutch baby. Despite the name, this pancake has American origins, likely developed in the early 20th century in Seattle. It is made from a simple batter of eggs, flour, and milk, poured into a very hot cast iron skillet and placed in the oven. The heat causes the edges to puff up dramatically, while the center stays custardy and low. It looks dramatic when it comes out, but it deflates quickly once it hits the air. The flavor is eggy and slightly rich, usually served with powdered sugar, lemon juice, or fresh fruit. One batter fills the whole pan, so it serves as more of a shared dish than individual portions. Scotch pancake. Also called a drop scone, this is a small, thick pancake from Scotland. It is made with self-raising flour, giving it a consistent rise without the need to measure out separate leavening agents. The batter is dropped in spoonfuls onto a griddle, which is why it carries that alternative name. They cook quickly and come out dense but soft, similar to a small American pancake but slightly sweeter and more compact. They are traditionally eaten warm with butter and jam, often as an afternoon snack rather than a breakfast item. Injera. This comes from Ethiopia in Eritrea, and it functions as both a pancake and an eating utensil. It is made from teff flour, an ancient grain native to the Horn of Africa. The batter is fermented for several days before cooking, which gives injera its distinctive sour flavor and its spongy, porous surface. That texture is intentional. The small holes trap sauces and stews, making it ideal for scooping food. It is cooked on a large flat clay griddle and comes out as a wide, soft sheet. In Ethiopian cuisine, it is placed on a communal platter, and the meal is arranged directly on top of it. Okonomiyaki. This is a Japanese savory pancake, and it is quite different from anything in the Western pancake tradition. The name roughly translates to "cook what you like," which reflects how flexible the recipe is. The base batter includes flour, eggs, and grated yam, which gives it a stretchy, slightly unusual texture. Into that batter goes shredded cabbage, and then almost anything else: pork, shrimp, cheese, green onion. It is cooked on a flat iron griddle and topped with a thick, savory sauce, mayonnaise, dried seaweed flakes, and bonito fish flakes that wave in the heat. There are regional versions, with Osaka and Hiroshima each having distinct styles. Blini. These are small, yeasted pancakes from Russia, made traditionally with buckwheat flour. The yeast gives them a slightly fermented flavor that plain pancakes do not have, and the buckwheat adds an earthy, nutty quality. They are small and round, usually no bigger than the palm of a hand. Blini have a long cultural history in Russia. They predate Christianity in the country and were originally connected to Slavic rituals marking the end of winter. Today, they are most commonly associated with caviar or smoked salmon topped with sour cream. They appear frequently at celebrations and are central to the Russian holiday known as Maslenitsa.